Hi there. Meet Mr. and Mrs. Sam. Mr. Sam is working in an IT company as senior project manager, their daughter Liesel studying in class 2. Every day they drop her to school bus and starts their busy day. As soon as their daughters reaches school, Mr. Sam start receiving all update from school in real time like students' attendance notifications, next PTM schedule, school fee payment reminders etc., which keep him up to date. At home Mrs. Sam also receives all communication from school like homework updates, special events at school, Tuesday, class photograph or test notifications for upcoming test. She has all updates before her daughter reaches home. At school teachers find this very supportive and observes improvements in students' progress. Students are always prepared for surprise test and shows involvement in all subjects. Liesel is also demonstrating significant progress, closely interacts with teacher and score good marks. We have made solution that will change the way you manage your school. 365 days access from anywhere, any device. Do you know how? A system built on artificial intelligence. Works on cloud. School management system. Edubbe. Simplify education. A solution which connects all. Like parents, students, teachers, and school management or principal. Edubbe enables collaboration among teachers, parents, students, and school management. Edubbe has a solution to solve many school issues, like inconsistencies in processes, incomplete students' diaries, teachers-parents communications gaps, teachers' attritions. Some of key features are personalized communication to different class or groups, simplify school management, go digital, effective students improvisation plan, based on previous results. Take your school to next level. Edubbe does not require any hardware or software installation. Our solutions works on all devices, like iOS, Android, or Windows. What are you waiting for? Do you want to know more? Reach out to us on edubbe.com. Connect now.